places, very dark. So sure, you can probably, what time is it? 6:30?
6:30.
Yeah, you can probably guess where we're going. We're heading to Discovery Cove. So the plan is to get there for opening, so we can get straight in, eat some breakfast and get in the pools. Depending on what time our SeaVenture is, I think we might head to the aviary first because the birds are hungry first thing and it opens at 9. Oh wow, look at the colours of the sky over there. So yeah, we're gonna jump in an Uber and head over there now. The moon's still out. We arrived at about 7:45. Doors opened about 5 to 7, and then once we'd gone through and checked in, we were held until about 20 past.
Yeah, they opened the whole thing at 15:15.
Yeah.
Let everyone through for breakfast.
We've got our SeaVenture at 9:15, so our plans for the aviary have changed because we need to be there for 9 o'clock to the other side of the Grand Reef area. So as soon as we came in, they directed us to breakfast, so we've come straight in to get breakfast and I'll show you what we've got. The breakfasts were already plated up. We were the first ones in actually on our side. So we've got 2 sausages, scrambled egg, potatoes, French toast. We've got some of the syrups. We've got 1 coffee each and orange juice, pastry each, and I've got a little pot of granola as well, just because I need a bit of fruit in my life. So we're going to tuck into this now, then see what time it is, go get a locker. Maybe seconds. We'll see. Josh's new tactic is dipping the French toast into the syrup. Verdict?
Tasty.
Tasty? I have to try the same tactic.
Just have this for breakfast. French toast.
Just depending on so usually we have 4 kind of areas that people will be in. So there's 1 on that side, 2 kind of in the front here,
Yeah.
and the 4th one. You can actually go down over there. It's kind of like a ramp. You can go down into the water. So it.
I see you. Oh.
We are the first ones into the, what kind of section would you call it?
The aviary section?
Yeah,
Marmoset?
where the kind
Lagoon?
of lagoons and lazy rivers and aviaries and all that are.
We'll see if we can quickly
It's your
aviary. And then,
chill out place.
Oh yeah, nice and warm. Isn't it?
Yeah. From the cafe we have got the complimentary frozen drinks. You've gone
Frozen lemonade.
and I've gone for the banana flavour. So nice.
Try it out.
And you got a pretzel.
Pretzel with some mustard.
Stuck.
Oh, there he is.
They are warm.
Pretzel.
Yeah, already had a cookie.
Huh?
We always had a warm cookie, haven't we?
Oh yeah, it was really warm. It was very good.
So you got these little pop-up food stands throughout. They're all complimentary food and drinks, apart from the alcohol.
Yeah, the alcohol looks pretty good though.
Yeah,
Remember
the cocktails.
Yeah, I don't remember seeing many cocktails last time we came.
No?
No advertisements for it anyway.
I feel like you can get beers complimentary,
Yeah.
but you can't. Yeah, but not cocktails.
Not cocktails. We're a cocktail lover.
Yeah. Yeah. Avery that way. Others that way. through again. Going through. Okay, thank you. This is such an uneven place. Ah. So low. Fish. Hey. Ooh. Walk in the middle a bit. Walk in there a bit. Ooh. Yeah, I got a pigeon. Oh, maybe.
Got a little bird crew.
I like the guy behind you, yeah. Sharing's caring.
Oh, wow, yeah. Look at this guy. He eats him. You're living life, aren't you?
Lovely. Got some in there. This one's just hugging it all.
Look at it. Pigeon's back.
I hope he doesn't jump on it.
You've nearly eaten all of the food, guys.
This one is greedy.
You're a hungry bird.
They do, don't they? Experience?
Really good.
Yeah.
So definitely worth coming early
Yeah.
because the birds are hungry, but sort of like the customer birds, they don't come down. They just eat. I think there's little mice that they do.
Baby.
Yeah. And I got my flower because we were the first one through the river, through the waterfall. The bird picked it off the tree. So they're going to head across to our SeaVenture now, aren't we?
Yeah, 49, we'll get there early. Exciting.
Still, all new things today.
Oh God. Don't overthink it. Have a good time. That's right.
you.
Your friend is right there.
It was.
Get off my finger.
That was such good fun.
That was amazing. Highly, highly recommend that.
Yeah,
That was
definitely.
awesome. I'm happy to jump back in there.
Ooh, I could spend all day down there.
Yeah. Really, really good.
Good comfortable?
I felt really comfortable, yeah. As soon
Yeah.
as you get in, you just don't think about breathing or anything.
Just from the look at everything.
A few times I just had to pop my ears by yawning.
Yeah.
But that was it. Yeah, it was awesome. I found myself holding the helmet.
I noticed that.
But not for any reason. That was purely for comfort. That's just how where I wanted my hands.
Stabilise yourself.
Yeah, I think it was. So that I wasn't doing that because the helmet felt funny or anything. I felt really comfortable and really safe.
Whereas I didn't want to hold the rails, I just wanted to.
You were floating along, weren't you?
I loved it. I felt at peace.
That was awesome. So good. That giant ray down there.
Yeah.
What time is it?
Lunchtime.
Yes, it is.
Number 1.
So lunch is served 11 till 3:30 and it is currently 1:45. Let's see what they've got on offer today. Side. So the steak, beach burger, salmon, pulled pork sandwich, jerk chicken and chicken tenders. And you can have all of them if you want to. Ooh, I might go for... Tempted by the burger, you know. So I had the pulled pork last time, I tried the steak last time. What have you gone for this time?
Well, I tried these chicken tenders. I thought they looked pretty good.
Yeah, they do look good.
KFC style.
Chicken tenders, and you've got ranch and some hot sauce as well, haven't you?
Some healthy pickles.
Some healthy pickles and full fat Coke.
Zero Coke.
Oh, zero Coke. Excellent. I've gone for an apple juice, the burger, macaroni cheese and some pickles as well, and I've got ranch and barbecue sauce. So I'm going to enjoy this and then head back maybe for seconds or pudding. We will see. And we're sat with a lovely view of the foliage, I suppose you could say.
Rainforest.
The rainforest, we'll go with that. What did you get?
Strawberry cheesecake.
I'm still trying to finish my food.
I'm stuffed, but
I'm very full, I'm struggling.
I'm getting free cheesecake.
Has a hawk ever got one of them? Not physically gotten them, but we have had hawks that have landed on the island itself, so we are trained in what to do in those situations. That's one of the biggest reasons why we have them trained, so that we can quickly call them up if we need to, whether that's because of a safety reason with a bird of prey that's circling the area, or it's because we have to get off the island because everyone has to get out of the water if there's lightning too close to the area as well. So that's one of the biggest reasons why we're always out here.
So where are you going?
I don't know, we're going back in the aviary.
Wow. It's not all completely Avery, is it?
I don't know, because we didn't go through the other side, did we? There's 2 waterfalls, just got the birds getting out.
yeah.
We only went in one, and then went up to these.
Get for the other side then.
Yeah.
Like a jungle. It's almost like a jungle cruise ride.
We have finished our day at Discovery Cove. It's been very, very
Awesome. Relaxing.
relaxing. I was going to say peaceful. Yeah, relaxing is the word.
Experience.
It's been an experience.
New experience.
Yeah, it has. We loved doing the aviary first thing. That was really good.
Yeah.
And the SeaVenture, highly recommend. That was awesome, and it felt so intimate. There was only a maximum of 8 people. At the end there was only 6 of us. Some people didn't like it, which is absolutely fine, and the people that are helping you, they will get you out as soon as you need to. No questions asked, you just give them the signal and they get you out, and it was so quick, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's probably seen earlier, the footage. It was pretty good encounters, really.
Yeah, it was. So I definitely recommend that. I think I'd rather do that again than the swimming with the dolphins.
Yeah, I think I would.
It was just more of an experience.
Well, yeah, it's more personal almost.
Yeah.
I know it sounds on with dolphins, but not a lot of time with it personally.
Really good day. We're gonna head to we're gonna go back to the hotel, get ready, and we've got a reservation at Jungle Navigation Stiff Canteen.
Yes. So we've got to get a bus.
Yeah, we've got to get a bus. It's the only way to get there from our hotel. So yeah, we're gonna head there now. So the next time you see us, we should be in Magic Kingdom.